DPS Teleclass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS Teleclass. Today, your Bindu Miss is here with English lessons. Before starting today's lessons, let's recite our dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Today's learning intention. Today, we are going to learn about how to make complete sentences using present simple tense. Our success criteria. I'll be successful if I'm able to make complete sentences using present simple tense. Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Before starting today's topic, let's recollect what we studied in the previous study class. Okay? What was our topic? Yeah, tell me. Adjectives. Can you give some examples of adjectives? Right. Tall, short, beautiful. Tell me. Disciplined, intelligent, then careful, careless, ugly, cunning, handsome, red, black, blue, big, fat, perfect, friendly, charming, hungry, clumsy. Yes, tell me. Cruel, kind, lazy, nervous, anxious, etc. etc. Okay? Good. Today we are going to learn about how to talk in simple sentences using present simple tense. Okay? That means when you are talking, you have to use the verb in present simple tense. Are you ready? Shall I start? Okay. Yeah, what is written here? Read. This is today's topic. Can you read? Yeah, present simple tense. Dear students, listen here. In this class, what we are going to do is explaining about daily tasks, about our household work, about our daily routine such as morning walk, exercise. Otherwise, we will ask questions about day-to-day work. Okay? How to ask questions? All these day-to-day works are repetitive works, or we can say repeated tasks, isn't it? We are doing some tasks occasionally also, like shopping. They are occasional. They are occasional tasks. Now we are going to start with a simple task like making a tea. What you are going to do? No, what we are going to do? We are going to make a tea. You have to ask your mother about how to make a tea. What you are going to ask your mother? You have to ask your mother about how to make a tea. Are you ready to ask? Then tell me how you will ask. What will be your question? Tell me. Can you girls? See, since it is a regular task, you can use do you. Okay, start with do you. Fine? Our question is, Mom, how do you make tea? First you ask your mother, Mom, repeat with me. Mom, how do you make tea? See, if you want to speak in English, if you like to speak in English, you have to repeat all these sentences, okay, loudly. Not in your mind you will say. You have to say loudly all these sentences, okay. So, just read this sentence. Read it. Mom, how do you make tea? In this way you have to ask. Otherwise don't ask like this. Mom, how do you make tea? No. How you will ask? Mom, how do you make tea? Okay. This is the question. Okay. If you have to ask for rice, what will be your question? Mom, how do you make rice? If it is coffee, then what will be your question? Mom, how do you make coffee? Your mom is making pasta. Okay. Then what will be your question? Mom, how do you make pasta? Okay. Now you are ready? You are confident? Good. Now you know how to ask this question. So you have to ask your mother today itself. Okay. Are you ready? What will be her answer now? Can you guess? When you ask, Mom, how do you make tea? What will be her answer? Wait. What is the answer? I make tea as usual. As usual I make tea. No special, nothing. Okay. What is her answer? I make tea as usual. If it is coffee, then what will be her answer? I make coffee as usual. Then you can make another sentence. I make rice as usual. Try another sentence. I make pasta as usual. Okay. Try to make another sentence. I make chicken fried rice as usual. Okay. Now are you confident? Good. We are going to repeat these two sentences, one question and its answer. Mom, how do you make tea? Read it. It's your turn, read it. Mom, how do you make tea? What will the answer? I make tea as usual. I make tea as usual. Okay? This is the question and answer. You have to repeat with me, okay? Now you are very much eager to know about the preparation of tea. So what will you ask now? What will you ask now? Your question is to your mother. Okay. Can you explain it? Mom, can you explain it? We don't know how to make tea. Can you explain it, Mom? What she will say? Sure. She is very much confident to say. She is very much confident to explain about the preparation of tea. Okay. First, I take half a cup of water in a pan. See, you can see the pan. Okay. First, I take half a cup of water in a pan. What was the next step? Then I keep it on the stove, put on the flame and boil it. See? First, I take half, you have to repeat with me, okay? First, I take half a cup of water in a pan. Then I keep it on the stove. I put on the flame and I boil it. This is the real thing behind it. Okay. I keep it on the stove. I put on the flame and I boil it. Okay. Got it? Then what is the next step? Then I add tea powder. See the picture? Then I add tea powder. I add tea powder. Now what is the next step? After 1 minute, put out the flame and strain the tea. What happened next? After 1 minute, okay, we have to wait 1 minute, and after that I put out the flame and I strain the tea. That is the real thing. I put out the flame and I strain the tea. Got it? I put out the flame and I strain the tea. Next, I pour half a cup of boiled milk into the tea. See the picture? What happened next? I pour half a cup of boiled milk into the tea. I pour. Give stress to that. Okay. This pour is the present simple tense. Okay. See students, you know about the usage, you know about the verbs in present simple tense. Actually we have already discussed in our previous class. That's why I am not going to repeat it. Now you are going to use all these things in sentences. Fine. What is our next step? After that I put sugar and stir it. What happened next? After that I put sugar and I stir it. Okay. What happened next? Oh yeah, it is the last step. The tea is ready. The tea is ready. Okay. Are you happy? The steps are really simple, right? Tell me, who explained all these things? Who explained all these things? Your mother, right? Now you have to explain what you learned from your mother. What you have to do? You have to explain what you learned from your mother. Ready? Good. Now it is my turn. I'm going to ask you a question. Okay. How does she make tea? Who is she here? Your mother. Okay. How does she make tea? You have to answer it. Are you okay? Are you ready? What will be your answer? She makes tea as usual. As usual, she makes tea. No, nothing special there. See, she makes tea. What was the first sentence we used in the previous slides? I make tea as usual. But here it is, she makes tea as usual. I make, she makes. She makes. If it is he, then what will be the change? He makes. If it is it, then it makes. If it is Hannah, what will be the change? Hannah makes. Okay, don't write Hannah make. Hannah makes. And don't write I makes. What you will write? I make. You make. We make. Okay. In that way you have to complete, you have to make sentences. Fine. Yes, we can repeat the sentences, the question and answer. What was the question? How does she make tea? If it is a question, you have to ask the question in that way. Okay, don't ask, how does she make tea? No, not in that way. How you will ask? How does she make tea? Repeat with me. How does she make tea? What will be the answer? You have to say, she makes tea as usual. She makes tea as usual. Okay. I make, she makes. See the change. Now I'm asking you, can you explain it? This is my question. Can you explain it? How she made it? What are you going to explain about how to make tea? Okay. My question is, can you explain it? What will be your answer? Sure. No problem. I can. Yeah, it is one by one, the steps are here. First, she takes half a cup of water in a pan. What happened? First, she takes half a cup of water in a pan. Then she keeps it on the stove, puts on the flame and boils it. Okay, these are the two steps here. See, first she takes half a cup of water in a pan. She takes, then she keeps, she puts, she boils. Then she keeps it on the stove, she puts on the flame and she boils it. It is a single sentence, that's why there is no need of repeating she. Okay. I take, she takes. I keep, repeat with me. She keeps. I put, she puts. I boil, she boils. Don't write she boil. Okay, that's wrong. She boils. If it is he, then he boils. If it is Azad boils. Okay. Any problem? Any doubt? Okay, we can continue. What she has done next? What is this next step? Then she adds tea powder. Who is she here? Who is she here? Tell me. She is your mother. Okay. Then she adds tea powder. I add tea powder. She adds tea powder. See the difference. I add tea powder. She adds tea powder. Okay. You have to add S. Okay. To add. She adds tea powder. Good? Okay. What is the next step? After 1 minute, she puts out the flame and strains the tea. What happened? After 1 minute, she puts out the flame and strains the tea. See, she puts, she strains. I put, she puts. I strain, she strains. See the change. Okay, you have to note all these changes while you make sentences. You have to keep all these things in your mind. Okay. Yeah, what is the next step? Next, she pours half a cup of boiled milk into the tea. See the picture? Next, she pours half a cup of boiled milk into the tea. I pour, she pours. I pour, she pours. Not the change. Okay. Good. What is next? After that she puts sugar and stirs well. Stirs it. After that she puts sugar and stirs it. See, she puts sugar, she stirs it. I put, she puts. I stir, she stirs. See the change. Not all these changes. Okay, don't forget. See, there is no change in the last sentence. What is the last sentence? The tea is ready. The tea is now ready. Okay, are you happy now? Are you happy now? Now you know how to make a tea. Without your mother's help, you can make a tea. Right? Okay. Okay, dear students, now we can discuss about some day-to-day tasks. Example about doing exercises. Okay, you have to say in simple sentences. Okay, use simple sentences. See, all these are daily routine works. I go for morning walk every day. You can say to anybody, I go for morning walk every day. Other sentence, you can use other sentence. I go for prayer every day. Okay, I go to school every day. I go to shop every day. You can say another sentence. I go to playground every day. I go to gym every day. I go to beach every day. Okay, in this way you can make sentences. See, if it is Anand, then how it will change? Anand goes for morning walk every day. I go for morning walk. Anand goes for morning walk. See the change. Anand goes for prayer every day. Anand goes for playing every day. Okay. The next sentence. I exercise. Okay, if you are exercising every day, you can say I exercise or I do exercise. Okay, both are correct. Okay, fine. See, read this title. What is written here? About chicken noodles. Oh, it's very yummy and spicy. About chicken noodles, we have some questions. Okay. How will you ask your mom about the making of chicken noodles? How will you ask your mom about the making of chicken noodles? Can you say? Now you are very much confident to say, I know. Mom, How do you make chicken noodles? How will you ask? Mom, how do you make chicken noodles? This is the question. Okay. Very good. Dear students, now it is the time to evaluate. Get ready for that. Okay. See, you have a task. Explain how to make chicken noodles. Okay. Are you happy? Use present simple tense. Okay, you have to use present simple tense. And you can collect information from internet, but don't copy all the sentences from internet. Okay, it's not allowed. Fine. And before sending, you have to write your name and your class and section. For example, if your name is Maya, then you can write Maya 6A, and after that you have to send. When you are sending, you have to take a clear photo of what is written there. Okay. This thing explain how to make chicken noodles. You have to write all the steps in your English notebook. Take a good picture, good photo of the same work, and then you have to Viber. Okay. Don't be late. Right? Okay. Then it is your turn. Do it very neatly, and you can also, if you are interested, you can make a photo of chicken noodles also. You can make a picture diagram of chicken noodles. Okay. Our success criteria: I'll be successful if I'm able to make complete sentences using present simple tense.
Thank you for attending today's teleclass. I think you are very much familiar with doing these answers. So you have to do it neatly and send to me on time. Okay? Any doubt? No. So now stay safe, stay home and be happy. Thank you everyone.
EPS Teleclass